SINi Springboard workflow tools. Continuing from my previous IgNite Springboard video, I'll now discuss the workflow tools. These are especially useful for artists who work on complex scenes using proxies, such as V-Ray and Corona proxies. Our SINi proxy, ProxSi, is a universal proxy that works with Arnold, Redshift, and other third-party renderers. The workflow tools are designed to bulk modify a selection of proxies. A super handy feature of this toolset is it allows you to round-trip edit proxies. For example, you can change a proxy model to edit mesh, modify or replace it, and then convert it back into a proxy with all its instances. OMG. Dope stuff, right? Okay, let's go through the settings. First, select your workflow. I'll use V-Ray. Then, select where you're saving your proxies. Select the display setting and click Create Proxy. If you want to bulk change the display, select all the proxies, select the display setting, and click Update. On occasion, you may wish to repath the scene's proxies. Use this tool to bulk repath. The last tool allows you to export all selected proxies to editable geometry. As mentioned, you can edit these and then use the above tools to change back to proxy. Or if you use other renderers, you can swap to another proxy creation setting, such as SINi or Corona. I'll show you the SINi proxy setting now, as it offers other features not available in third-party renderer proxies. Switch to SINi software. You will see extra roll-up sections appear below. In bulk proxy creation, you can see a few extra checkboxes: internal or external and lock. Saving a proxy internally inside your scene makes them incredibly fast to load. You also have the feature of bulk locking the proxy, meaning other artists cannot modify the 3D model. On the bottom roll-up, you can bulk lock or unlock proxies. Password protect your proxies and add an expiry date if you plan to share your model with third-party artists. You can always give them the password to unlock the models, if you trust them to not steal your precious work. Why would you want this, you may ask? Have you ever been asked by a client to share your model? This little feature was designed to allow Archviz artists to share their work with clients and competitors working on the same projects for a limited period. I'll discuss this in more detail in my ProxSi plugin video. That's it for Springboard. In my next video, I'll discuss the forensic plugin. Thanks for watching.